Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A6 gear knob. This process can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's quite straightforward. We'll cover the essential steps for both automatic and manual models, ensuring you can tackle this task confidently. Remember to always work carefully and have your basic tools ready, like a small flathead screwdriver, before you begin. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. Then, move the gear selector into a neutral or drive position, which provides better access. Next, locate the trim ring or leather boot at the very bottom of the gear knob. Carefully pull this piece downwards. It usually slides or unclips with gentle pressure. A plastic pry tool can assist if it's a bit stubborn. Now, focus on the release mechanism. For automatic models, you'll typically find a chrome or plastic button on the side of the knob. Pull this button outwards firmly. You should see about a 1/4 inch gap appear at its base. It's helpful to wedge a small, thin object, like a blade fuse, into this gap to keep the button extended during the next step. With the release button held out, grasp the entire gear knob firmly and pull it straight upwards with considerable force. It might require more effort than you expect. For manual transmission models, the knob typically unscrews by rotating it counterclockwise. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring the knob aligns correctly and all components click securely into place for a safe and proper fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.